Nick Rudder from McKee's37.com. Today I'm going to show you how to remove wax stains from plastic trim and restore it to a like-new finish. The two products I'm talking about, our wax remover for plastic, which is step 1, and our SiO2 plastic trim restore, which is step 2. You can use these to restore neglected plastic, like I have here on my 2015 Miata, which I just purchased. Or if you have a brand spanking new car and you want to prevent the plastic trim from fading, that's when you would use this guy to start. But you always want to clean it first anyway, so you have a clean foundation. So there's a number of different ways to apply wax remover for plastic. At McKee's37.com, we have a number of different brushes and applicator pads. We have this little toothbrush style guy with these nylon bristles. We have a stiffer brush. This is our low profile tire brush. This would work well for like this front lip here. Then we have the detail brush, which gets into the intricate areas. And then we also have, in a kit we sell, these really nice detail swabs. And I'm actually going to use a combination of these guys and these smaller brushes to remove the wax and polish stains that the previous owner was nice enough to leave me. So wax remover for plastic, it's powerful, it's surface safe. If any accidentally gets on your paint, it's going to wipe right off. It's not going to cause any harm. You simply spray it on. And then I'm going to wipe off the excess off the paint right there. Then I'll take my brushes and I'm simply going to scrub. And this product works really well. Sometimes it takes more than one application, depending on the type of wax or polish that was used. But overall, it works extremely well. And it's really going to deep clean this plastic trim. And you can use these little detail swabs to get up in here. Take care of that. And then the detail brush works really well for getting in the tight spots too. Spray the product directly in there. And wax remover for plastic actually smells really good too, despite the fact that it's a strong chemical. It smells really good. There's some real nasty stains over here. I'll take this brush. Okay. And the way wax remover for plastic works is it was formulated to actually break up and dissolve the types of solvents and silicone oils found in waxes and polishes and paint sealants while still being safe for the surrounding materials. Take my microfiber towel, I'll wipe off excess. And right off the bat, your plastic trim will look great because you've removed the solventy, waxy polish stains that were hindering the appearance to begin with. So it already looks good, and we have yet to apply the plastic trim restore. I'm actually going to use the end of this detail swab to get my towel up in this tight area. I'm going to wrap my towel around it. We can dry up there. Okay. And there's some more stubborn areas, but it looks like it took care of all the wax stains. Now, this right here is actually not wax, it's just discoloration. So there's actually some discoloration to this plastic besides the wax stains that were removed. And that's where the plastic trim restore is going to work. A little bit of this guy goes a long way. Shake it well. You can apply it using one of our dual action trim and tire applicator sponges, or it also works really well. We sell these finger pockets where you can actually stick your hands in and get in the real tight spaces. So I'm actually I'll start off with the finger pocket because this is a small plastic area. And a little bit goes a long way, like I mentioned. This is a clear liquid. There's no dyes or colorants. And if any accidentally gets on the surrounding area, like your paint it's going to wipe right off. It's not going to cause any issues. And look at that, already making a big difference. And you're naturally going to get some on the paint anyway as you apply it. So that's why it was really important we developed this formula, that it be safe for surrounding materials, because it's going to happen as you apply it. Some plastic trim restorers, they have dyes and colorants, and they're black to begin with, and you'll stain your paint, and they give you these lengthy directions to how to fix that. I try and avoid all that by making products that are safe for surrounding materials. So the finger pocket actually worked best for this. Now for this lip here, the dual action trim and tire applicator sponge would be ideal, which I'll show you. I'll take a second microfiber towel, not the same one I use for the cleaner. I'm going to wipe off the excess. And the SiO2 plastic trim restore, it's an update to our plastic trim restore that we sold for years. We added some of the SiO2 ceramic particles. It increased the longevity. And along the way, we found some other improvements to make it last longer, easier to apply. And take a look at that, big difference. Huge difference. So I see an area I missed, and I'll take a second detail swab. Which one? To get in that area, and I'll just apply a little bit. Right up in there. Otherwise, you guys will comment and tell me I missed a spot, so I'll make sure I get it perfect, or the best I can. There we go. Now every square inch has been coated, and I'll take the tip of the handle for the detail swab to wipe off the excess up there, and that'll help get in there too. So big difference, as you can see already, compared to the before and after. Looks better than new. I don't think I missed any areas. And then for this front lip here, what we'll do is I'll take the wax remover, and it's the same process. I'm going to spray it on. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just do half of it so I'm not stretching over too far the video. And I could use this brush, being mindful of the paint that's near it. This will really speed things up. Wipe off the excess. And then apply the plastic trim restore. And this time, I'm actually going to use the dual action trim and tire applicator sponge. This allows for precision application. A little bit on there. Actually, I'll put a little bit up here too, just to coat the whole thing. You want to have a lot of tools in your toolbox. So where the finger, or the finger mitt, excuse me, excelled here, this applicator excels here. The finger pocket, that's what it's called. Take a towel, wipe off the excess. And you can see the before and the after. So the trim in this Mazda wasn't too bad. It's a subtle difference, but overall, it makes a big difference overall in the appearance of the vehicle. So that is our wax remover for plastic and our SiO2 plastic trim restore. Both products can be purchased in a money-saving kit. For more information, visit McKee's37.com. And if you like videos like this, click subscribe, turn on your notifications, and visit our website, McKee's37.com. Take care and God bless.